A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Diddy Combs has found himself at the center of a legal maelstrom as his lawyers filed a motion on Tuesday demanding that a Manhattan federal judge disclose the identities of his accusers in a sex trafficking case that has garnered significant media attention. Combs, the 54-year-old music mogul, is currently awaiting trial set for May 5, 2025, after pleading not guilty to federal charges including sex trafficking and racketeering. His legal team argues that knowing the names of the alleged victims is crucial for adequately preparing his defense. The motion highlights the unique nature of this case, citing the multitude of allegations stemming from Combs' celebrity status and the publicity surrounding previous lawsuits against him. The letter, signed by attorneys Mark Agnifilo and Tinny Garagos, pointed out that the influx of accusations has created a hysterical media circus that could jeopardize Combs' right to a fair trial. The request comes on the heels of a recent lawsuit filed by Combs' ex-girlfriend, singer Cassie Ventura, which accused him of physical abuse, rape, and sex trafficking. Although the lawsuit was settled just a day later, it opened the floodgates for additional legal actions from other alleged victims. Combs' lawyers expressed concern over the 6 new anonymous lawsuits filed just a day before their motion, which they claim are part of a broader group of over 120 accusers. At a recent press conference, the attorney representing these accusers claimed to represent this large number of individuals while promoting a toll-free number that received thousands of calls within the first 24 hours. The legal team for Combs contends that the anonymity of the accusers and the sheer volume of allegations create an unfair situation for their client. They argue that some accusations have already been discredited, but have nonetheless caused irreparable damage to Combs' reputation. The letter to the court emphasized the need for clarity regarding the identity of the accusers, stating that without this knowledge, Combs would be at a disadvantage in his defense. The indictment against Combs alleges a long history of coercion and abuse, detailing how he supposedly used his influence and a network of associates to maintain control over his victims. The prosecution has claimed that Combs orchestrated elaborate sexual performances, referred to as freak-offs, involving drugs and manipulation of women in his orbit. The legal battle is intensifying, with Combs' lawyers pushing back against what they describe as an onslaught of baseless allegations. They assert that the government's failure to disclose the names of the accusers is a violation of Combs' right to a fair trial. As the case unfolds, the implications for Combs, his career, and the broader conversation around accountability in the entertainment industry remain to be seen. The legal proceedings are set against a backdrop of increasing scrutiny of powerful figures in Hollywood and beyond, as allegations of sexual misconduct continue to surface. Combs' case is not just a personal battle. It reflects a cultural moment where the intersection of fame, power, and accountability is under the spotlight. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching consequences, not only for Combs but also for the ongoing dialogue about how society addresses issues of sexual abuse and the voices of those who come forward to share their stories. As the trial date approaches, all eyes will be on the courtroom, where the tension between the pursuit of justice and the protection of reputations will play out in real time. For now, Combs remains incarcerated at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, awaiting the next steps in a case that has captured national attention and sparked intense debate about the balance between due process and the urgency of addressing allegations of sexual misconduct. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.